I'm Dr. Vstrom, and today's upgrade is frame protection caps for Vstrom 800 RE, SE and EE models. There's a video up here demonstrating how to install and how to not lose, how to secure similar frame covers but on Vstrom 650s. For Vstrom 650s, these frame covers come as standard from the factory, whereas for the Vstrom 800 they don't. Probably it's because Suzuki wants to keep the cost down. This is not a mandatory upgrade, but aesthetically it looks better, it is cheap, and it does give some protection from the elements. Not that it is critical, but why not? They are made out of plastic, they are quite cheap, and you can buy them from the well-known Chinese website. Hit me on the comments and I will tell you. They come as 3, so you only need 2 from either side, but one is a replacement part if it happens that you lose one. However, they are very firmly installed, so they fit very well. They are installed here on the frame openings. We will be adding, with them, 11 grams. Optionally, what we want to do is to clean with some air the area where the frame covers are going to be installed, but this is optional. Similarly, from the other side, this is the other opening, and optionally again you can do the same. This is the frame cover. You simply make sure to align the letters. You take your rubber hammer, and similarly from the other side, this is the opening, this is the frame cover. Again, you need to align the letters. Please note that from this side it's a bit tighter to install. This is the end result, and don't forget that if it happens and you lose one of these, you have a spare. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe.